Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a web link in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF editor. Now select this page layout option and here you will find this link option. Click on this down arrow. You can create new link, edit link, and this is create web link. Select. You can select page or current page or proceed. Again select here, select new link and select drag your mouse cursor, select your text and dialog box now open. Now select here open a web page and here you can change rectangle, box, color and highlight, invert, media, or line style. You can select. Now select next and type your web link. Now select OK. Select header. So now click on this box and check it. Select allow and see this web link now working. In this way you can create as many as web link you want. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and follow.